Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will solve mathematics question. So without any further delay, let's start our video with step-by-step solution. When we break the mixed fraction, we get 7 6 are 42 and 42 plus 36 equal to 78. by 6. The sign of subtraction. 9 2 is 18 and 18 plus 27 equal to 45. 45 by 9. The sign of multiplication. 4 3 is 12 and 12 plus 12 equal to 24. 24 by 4. So 45 will be divided by 9 in 5 times and 24 will be divided by 4 in 6 times. 78 by 6. The sign of subtraction. 5 6 are 30 and we can write 1 here as denominator. So we have to find the LCM of the denominator 6 and 1, that is 6. If we divide 6 by 6 we get 1, and if we multiply 78 into 1 equal to 78. And of course the sign of subtraction. If we divide 6 by 1 it will be give us 6, and 30 into 6 equal to 180. When we subtract 180 from 78, we get minus 102 by 6, and minus 102 will be divided by 6 in minus 17 time, and our answer will be minus 17. Thanks for watching. Do share and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Bye.